Hello all, welcome to Ruhi's recipes. Today we are going to make mutton shami kebab and also mutton shami kebab gravy. It requires little time and hard work, but it's definitely worth the taste. Let's make the kebab first. Take 200 gram of boneless mutton made into very small cubes. In that take 3 to 4 pieces and keep it aside. I will use that while making the kebab mixture. Add 1/4 cup of chana dal, which is approximately 100 grams. Then add 1 onion, roughly chopped, 4 to 5 red chilies, 2 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, few cloves and cardamoms, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and finally few coriander leaves. Next add water. The amount of water is 4 times the amount of chana dal. I took quarter cup of chana dal, so adding 1 cup of water. Since I used half cup measurement, I added 2 times. Now mix all this well. Shift this to a gas stove and boil this for 15 to 20 minutes till all the water gets absorbed. You can also pressure cook this. If you are pressure cooking this, then you should add water 2 times the amount of chana dal. It must be very dry like this without any water. Shift this to a plate and let this cool down completely. Do not grind this while it is warm or hot. After it cools down, take a mixture jar, add the raw mutton pieces that we kept aside and grind that into the fine paste. Adding raw mutton to the kebab mixture prevents the breaking of the kebab while frying. So do not skip this step. To this add the kebab mixture that we cooked and coarse grind it. Add little water. Don't add more water. We want this to be dry. If you add more water, the kebab will break while frying. I have coarse grinded the mixture and taken in a bowl. You could see that it is very dry and it is of rough texture. Add 1 teaspoon of oil to this and knead it well. Take smaller portion of dough and make in any convenient shape you want. I am going to make this into flattened circle. If you want, you can make it into a round ball or a leaf shape. I will also show you how to make leaf shape. Just roll it straight and press on the sides. Take a pan and shallow fry all the kebabs. It must be golden brown on both the sides. If your kebab still breaks even after adding the raw mutton, then add roasted gram powder or egg, but adding those will change the taste of the kebab, so it's better we avoid that. The kebabs are well fried and ready now. You can eat this with biryanis, pulavs, rasam, sambar rice. It goes well with any of the combination. Let us make gravy using the kebab that we prepared. Heat 50 ml of oil in a pan. Add 3 cloves, 2 cardamoms, 1 cinnamon and 1 bay leaf. Once it starts to sputter, add 3 onions. Add 2 teaspoons of salt. Saute this till the onion becomes golden brown. Once onions are fried brown, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this till the raw smell goes off. Next add 2 tomatoes, finely chopped, 2 long green chilies, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Saute this till tomatoes become soft. Once tomatoes turn soft, add 2 tablespoons of curd and mix this well. Add sufficient water and cover and cook this with the lid for 15 minutes till the masala is cooked well. After 15 minutes, I am opening this. The oil is starting to separate out. Now add 2 tablespoons of coconut paste. Add few coriander leaves and mix all this. Cover and cook this for another 10 minutes till oil separates out. After 10 minutes, I took off the lid. You see that the masala has very well cooked and oil has also separated. Now add the Shami kebab that we prepared. Mix it well by flipping the sides. Coat this with masalas on both the sides and let this rest in masala itself for 30 minutes. The gravy will be tastier only if the kebabs soak in the masala for at least 30 minutes. You can eat this with plain rice or any pulavs. I am going to serve this with moong dal pulav. I have given the link for the recipe of moong dal pulav in the description box. Yummy mutton Shami kebab and gravy is ready. Definitely try out this recipe and enjoy it. I hope you all liked this video today. I will soon come up with a new recipe. Until then, stay tuned and bye everyone. And do not forget to subscribe my channel if you have not done it.